Hello, my name is Ox. It's almost lunchtime, so I better head to the barn. Press 1 to take me to the barn. What the? Yikes! Why am I in the desert? Quick, press 2 to get me back to my barn. Brr! This isn't the barn. Press 3. Hurry. Sigh. This is the jungle, not a barn. Okay, maybe try 4. Try 4. Holy heck, I'm a pig now and I'm still in the jungle? I'm afraid to even ask anymore. Maybe try the space bar? Phew, back to my barn. Thanks for the help. And don't press anything again, ever.
Created using Powtoon.